In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Play Protect. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down to where it says Play Protect. As you can see, I currently don't have Play Protect enabled, so I'm going to turn it on. Play Protect will now start scanning, checking for any potential issues with any apps that are on your phone. So that is how we enable Play Protect, but if you want to disable Google Play Protect, click in the gear icon in the top right corner and then toggle off where it says Scan Apps with Play Protect. You'll be then asked whether you want to pause it or completely turn it off. Select Turn Off. You'll then be asked for a password to confirm this decision, and there, as you can see, both the Play Protect settings are now turned off. So that is how you enable or disable Google Play Protect.